Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Cartel, so me need a wig. Him have a heap of wig. Remember, Cartel used to wear extension. So when Cartel need me. Cartel can talk. He can join the life if he want, you know. I'm not afraid to talk to Cartel. Can't talk to me in no way, shape or form. Cartel is a realer man than me. You understand? Cartel can't style me. Cartel can't style me, you know. Cartel them come see me in the business, you know. And me help boss Cartel them, you know. In a dance hall, you know. Cartel can't style me. You can't style me. Me can't tell you. Well, I'm not afraid of Cartel. I'm not afraid of Cartel. Cartel can't style me. Cartel have to just understand the truth and know the truth and just live with it. You understand? Yeah. Big man thing. Yeah. Cartel can't style me. You see me? I want a real lesson of this, you know. Him say me want panty shield. Well, him can lend me two of them when him have a use. You understand? Him can lend me two of them. Which part Cartel there now? And which part me there now? Cartel in the position for tell nobody about panty shield and them something. Cartel, careful, you know. Careful. You know what to go there with me in a Cartel. You understand me as a Cartel? Don't do that. Remember where you there, remember where me there. Yeah? You might more need them panty shield than me. Be careful. Careful. Careful, brother. Okay. Just be careful. Vybz Kartel, please be careful. When Cartel enter the business, me a star already. I want to hear. When Cartel come around killing them khaki suit and I beg for boss, me there round kill already and me and kill a par and Wayne Marshall. That I'm done in English just a boss and act. What you talk about? Yeah. So, what I talk about? Can't talk to me, man. You crazy, man. I want to hear. Always them for address instead of talk about this and I try need styling. Why do you need to put girl and girl and do them thing in a video? Why? I want to no man, you not go let me frighten for nobody. I want to you. Cartel for behave himself, man. Straighten up your act, my youth. Straighten up yourself. Stop the nasty business, my youth. Stop the shaky business, my youth. You have the music long enough, my youth. The amount of bad things happen to you because you are indulging in them nastiness. If you stop, dog. Stop, Bridget. Me no business if I chew and lie them I tell. Cartel forget a whole of himself. Stop put them nasty thing in the video them and them something there, brother. Him approve of it, him a forget the fire too. Cause him approve of it. You need to get a whole of yourself, Vybz Kartel. What I'm tear. What I'm tear, brother B. Nothing wanna say can't frighten me. The man wrong. Him wrong. Vybz Kartel and Squash wrong to put that in a them video. Me not care that now take back. Me not take back that talk back. Nobody can scare me if you take back me talk, can't frighten me. Cause me dead right now. What me say already, done say already. And can't take back. Can't go back down my throat. No, I would like no cause I saw the wrong name I call. Remember I never nothing private Cartel do good. When Cartel do good, me give him props, you know. But right now him go low. You understand? Him go low. That video there where him and Squash do a low. That girl and girl action in the video, me not work with that. You understand what I say? Me not agree with it. Me not care who else agree with it. You understand what I say? Me not agree with it. That is a problem that now. So Foota fit dead because him straight. So when I try to tell me say no. Batman fi kill straight man. When you love me talk my opinion. If you feel like Cartel a fool no God, and anything him say goes and nothing can. Cartel and my God. Cartel is not my God. Vybz Kartel is not my God. Okay?
Viewers and subscribers, what you just heard a while ago is Foota Hype responding to a comment that was made by Vybz Kartel, which social media calls it or considered it as a diss towards Foota Hype. You see? And all of this started because of a music video that has been done by Squash and Vybz Kartel. You see? Now we don't already know that Vybz Kartel is in prison right about now. So the music video mainly just have his voice in it and so forth. So it's mainly the song we do, but the music video has been done where Squash is in it and so forth. Now, the thing is that there is a scene in it where there's two females doing something, like one is on top of the other and it's considered as like a seductive thing, you know, very like romantic or so forth, you know, because of how the females is on top of the one another. Now, Foota Hype seems to have a problem with that. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, freedom of speech. Every man have a right to talk what them want to talk or what them feel to talk. You get what I'm saying to you? And there's nothing you can do about what a man wants to say about another or so forth. You see me? Right? But, however, this thing take over social media big time where people start talking about it all over the place. You see? Right? And this is something we want to point out about social media, because some of the things that social media said, that Vybz Kartel said, is not necessarily true. I mean, Vybz Kartel did make a comment, but at the same time, the exaggeration about the comment would make it seem like it's a whole essay or it's a whole more things. Because if you could listen, you hear Foota Hype actually has said, in response to some of the things that social media claims to say that Vybz Kartel have said about Foota Hype. You get what I'm saying to you? But you don't know me now, only bring two now. What I want on social media, nothing added, nothing taken from it, and I will not exaggerate like how we see social media exaggerate with things. You see what I said to you? Alright? So you don't know me, only bring two no phone, just look at it and tell me what to think about this whole thing right here. You see me? So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it?